Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. And on this video, you could literally time me because I'm gonna be so short. But this video, you can actually use something that could save you hours and hours of footage of your work on Premiere Pro. Sometimes when we go back to these videos, they seem to have this sort of jittery or lagging, as they call it in Premiere Pro or in editing world. And that's what I'm going to go through with you today, how you can fix that. Okay, so let's dive into Premiere Pro. Here we have Premiere Pro opened up, and as you can see, there are two clips here. If I was to play this back, alright, so that definitely does not, well, it sounds right, but it does not look right because it seems to jitter and lag, and you know, the frames are missing and stuff like that. So let's play this other one here as well. These are actually clips from my previous video of your background sucks. Not yours, mine. I've fixed that ever since then. Not today. Not today. My background does suck today, and that's because I am working from another place. But we're here just for the sense of saving a video. Okay, let's go back to this. Okay, anyway, so as you can see in this second clip, if we was to play this back, these sort of headphones. Now the problem that I have with the background usually is that this, now that looks very bad. That is all jittery, it's got frames missing. It just doesn't look right. Now sometimes the reason for this is because your clips are sometimes made at 4K footage, you know, they're mega files. Now putting this stuff onto a machine like a laptop, a MacBook Pro, or you know, Windows and stuff like that, these can be very large files that you're going back to trying to edit them on Premiere Pro or other softwares, but it's actually the machine. It's actually whether you're using your MacBook Pro or your Windows desktop or whatever it is, and these mega files are having trouble fighting against your computer, and that could eventually end up crashing your computer. You feel frustrated, you feel like smashing your face in, or you feel like smashing your machine up. But here's the diagnosis. So here's the other side of the story, if I may, on how to fix this problem now. Okay, so what you want to do is create proxies. These proxies are little files, and they can work in the background. They are made by Media Encoder, and what they do is they analyze your footage, make substantially smaller files of it, and then you can use that in Premiere Pro and edit off those. Your mega files are still there in the background, so when it comes to exporting and uploading onto your media platforms, they can still be used, but however they are in the background. But when you do export, it is your 4K footage and it is your mega files that actually do export. So let's have a look at this in real time. If we was to click on the on this clip here, and if we was to go back to our project folder, which was the C0211, so if we have a look at C0211 and we click on that, and you want to scroll down until you see proxies somewhere along the line. So you want to scroll down until you see proxies. You want to come over and create proxies. A dialog box looking like this would pop up. In preset, where it says ProRes Low Resolution Proxy, sometimes it might be highlighted as medium resolution proxy. You can either go with the medium or you could go with the low. I tend to go with the low because I don't really mind my resolution being low. However, like I said, that resolution of your recording of being in 4K is still kept there in the background. So, and that's what will work when I export it onto my media platforms, in this case YouTube. I know that it will export in 4K. I'm just editing in a low ProRes so that my machine can actually deal with this mega files which comes off these memory cards. The media encoder will open, and then it will start working on the background of transporting your files and actually turning those into the low resolution kind of proxies that is called. Could take up to some time. So if you have quite a long footage, quite a long file, quite a big file, I would say probably go away and do other things and let this roll in the background. It can take some time. Okay, so once that media encoder has done your files, encoded them, come back into Premiere Pro, open up your footage, and what you're looking for is a toggle proxy symbol which looks like this. If you don't have it, come over to the right side where you find this plus button, click on that, and it will be in there. And that's what it looks like. Toggle proxies. Just take that and transfer it into this box here, and then hit OK. If we was to play it back, we've toggled the proxies on, so that shouldn't be a problem. If it's not, just hit on this icon here, and that should work for you. So now if we was to play this footage back, it shouldn't jitter. About background and videos, what I do is actually go back and analyze what I could improve by, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. I'm also very interested. This actually saved me a lot of time and a lot of my footage before I felt like smashing this machine on my face. This can actually save you a lot of time, a lot of you know, stress and stuff. Sometimes the footage that we are working with, 4K, 8K, 6K, if there's such a thing, can be very daunting and can be very annoying on the machines, on the laptops and the Windows or whatever you work on. Hit the like button if you like this short video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.